This Mercedes S-Class from Sydney. I was planning to take my family on a beach vacation, but it broke down as soon as it got off the highway. The for S shop solution was to replace for tires, quote 17,000 Australian dollars. Fortunately, the owner learned from a local friend, found that we can not only guarantee quality, and it only takes 1 noon to repair it. The owner drove over. How much do you think such a repair should cost? Leave a comment in the comment section to discuss. If you like our videos, you can also like them and collect them to prevent them from being found.